So what we want to do next to remove the rest of the smog pump is you want to get a 13 wrench, I guess. I don't know what the fuck, whatever this fucking thing's called. And you want to get, there's a bolt right there, and then on that side under that tube, same thing. And I do want to say it does take it off. Yeah, this crusty fucking thing takes the tube off. All right, I'll unhook this and this will be the rest of the smog bolt out. It's like, now this, you can see that this is obviously loose. And I had to loosen the one right here. Get that one down. Same size, 13. See when I have that tube unhooked. And then you have to install these super things that I'll show you in a second. All right, after you loosen those two bolts off, this should be really loose. And then I'm just, for the safety precautions or whatever, how to get this out, step by step, I unloosen this little rubber holes right here. That you have two holes in the back of your cylinder, which takes these smog plugs that I got off LMR. And if I could find the hole, I could try to screw it in a little bit, but I can't find the hole right now. All right, fuck me. What the hell? What the heck? Is it right here? Oh, it's right here. So look. Wait, what? No. Is that it? There's no way that's it. So now you get one of these. They're called cylinder smog head, like I said in the last video. And you put it in the back of the cylinder, which is right there, but you have to screw it in a certain way, which fortunately I don't know how to do yet. Turn off the camera. All right, well, I'm doing the headers next, so I got all bolts off. Got this bolts down to the Y pipe. I gotta just start on the next side. Got those bolts off. Now working on getting those bolts right here off. And hopefully these just come out. I get to install these beautiful chrome BBK headers. I just haven't had to decide how I gotta unbolt the stuff in the back. What I do is loosen these two bolts right here on that side, on the other side, and then I think you should loosen those ones right there on both sides, and then we should be able to pull the exhaust off and headers off. All right, so as I expected, this would come off. Stink ass Y pipe. I do believe. Let me try the other side really fast. These were supposed to come off now? Maybe? Let me see if, what the fuck was that? Oh, let me see what I'm doing over here. Oh, there's another bolt, right? That is cake. Oh, I have another bolt right there. All right, well, I have to loosen that bolt and hopefully I can take the headers out. So yeah, I just moved that bolt right here, connected this thingy. Headers are out, completely out. Onto the better ones right here. Here's your smog tube. This is whatever fucking pipe that is, I don't care right now. I'm hot. But then I have to remove that cross member to put the dual thing in, which I got already. Then the exhaust should be officially done. All I gotta do is install both. I got both headers out, so I gotta install them right here. These are the new ones, BBK headers, new gaskets. These are the old ones, old gaskets, old bolts. All this stuff gonna come out, and I'm done. Both the headers on. It's time to start taking the bolts off for this right here. Started already on the last one. And then after that, you have to install this right here, which has 2 humps, one here and one here, but let's be like this. But yeah, that's it. The old and this is gonna be the new that goes in. So you can see that this hump right here, cuffers go over here, and then this hump there's no hump here, so the exhaust can't go through it for a dual pipe. This is part of the dual pipe conversion thingy that has to be done to the car. All right, time to install it now. Okay, so after you remove, I don't remember where I left off that, but after you tighten these bolts up, which I hope I told you guys to do that, which is kind of self-explanatory. You wanna, well, these headers don't come with, like, you have to thread it in your own thingies, like this right here. You have to thread this into there, or to this headers. Basically, I removed the cross member transmission for dual hump for dual conversion. I removed the, whatever this is fucking called, hanger mount. I just replaced that on there too for the dual thingy. I still have to install this right here. I have, get under here. I have 1/2 of these things done. I have this one done. This one you just hold up to there. And then I'm just gonna install the X pipe and remove the rest of the exhaust. And I'll have true dual X pipe conversion kit done.